Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. A newly formed entity must adopt its initial tax year no later than which of the following? The date the entity begins business operation. No, you might start business operation today and you may not file until 6 to 7 months. So you don't have to choose your tax year when you start your business. The original due date excluding extension of its first tax return. Yes, by the due date, by the original due date, and you cannot count extension. You have to choose that, adopt your initial to which you have to stick with it. So if we're looking at December 31st, we're looking at by March 15th, by April 15th for individual. December 31st year end, 3.5 months. The original due date is April 15th. So yes, by April 15th. The extended due date include an extension. You don't have a due date to ask for an extension yet, therefore C is out. The date the entity received its first revenue, basically A and D kind of the same, no. It's the original due date excluding extension of its first tax return. Now, if you are looking at this question and you're working on Farhat Lectures, you could ask AI to explain the topic, explain the correct and incorrect answer, create a similar MCQ. Whether you are a CPA exam candidate, enrolled agent, go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, multiple choice, exercises, AI tools to help you prepare for your professional certification, prepare for your courses. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself. Don't shortchange yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.